Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how much it costs to own a Tesla. We'll cover the initial purchase price, which is a significant upfront investment. Then, we'll delve into the ongoing running costs, including electricity, insurance, and maintenance. Finally, we'll explore potential savings from fuel and various tax incentives, giving you a comprehensive understanding of the financial commitment involved in Tesla ownership. The initial purchase price for a Tesla can range significantly, typically from around $40,000 to over $100,000, depending on the model and chosen features. Financing options, such as loans or leases, will directly influence your monthly payments. Remember to factor in potential federal and state tax credits, which can substantially reduce the effective cost of your new electric vehicle, making it a more accessible investment. When it comes to running costs, electricity is generally much cheaper than gasoline, though prices vary by region and charging habits. Insurance premiums for Teslas can sometimes be higher due to their advanced technology and specialized repair requirements. However, maintenance costs are typically lower than traditional gasoline cars, as there are fewer moving parts and no oil changes. Regenerative braking also significantly extends the life of your brake pads. Looking at the long term, Teslas tend to hold their value quite well, driven by strong demand and continuous software updates that enhance functionality. While battery degradation is a natural process, modern Tesla batteries are engineered for impressive longevity, often lasting for hundreds of thousands of miles. Considering the total cost of ownership over several years, including depreciation and operational savings, a Tesla can offer a compelling, long-term financial proposition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.